Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom house for sale. It sits on 0.49 acres of land. It is located in the much sought after community of Fernandez Gardens, located in Huddersfield, Boscobel, St. Mary. This house is centrally located, only a 5 minutes drive to the Ian Fleming International Airport or a 10 minutes drive to Ocherius. You will be in proximity to all the tourist attractions, including, but not limited to, the world famous James Bond Beach, Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, Dolphin Cove, and Margaritaville, just to name a few. Don't miss your golden opportunity to call this home your own. Make your offer to purchase today, as tomorrow may be too late. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 290,000 or Jamaican $44.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.